Student, we are going to start the social studies summer talks of class 2. Let's see the first question. Do the work on notebook. Complete the fact sheet of your country on your notebook. Fact about your country. What is your country name? Our country name is Pakistan. Who is our first prime minister? Our first prime minister is Liaquat Ali Khan. In which province do you live? We live in Punjab. Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. What is our national dress? Our national dress is Shalwar Kameez. Who is our national poet? Our national poet is Allama Iqbal. What is our national language? Our national language is Urdu. Let's see the next question. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. Dirt and pollution are harmful for our health. Yes. Tick. Flies like clean places. Fall. Mosquitoes like to lay egg in dirty places. Yes. Why we should not drink boiled water? Cross. Have a bath every day? Yes. Let's see the next question. Draw the flags of different countries on your notebook and color them. Student, there are many flags. Pakistan, China, Japan, Russia and Italy. Student, you draw these flags of different countries and color them also. Let's see the next question. Choose the right word from the box to fill the blanks. When two people are talking and you want to say something, you say, excuse me. When you receive a gift, you send a thank you. When you see someone is sad and upset, you say, are you okay? When you meet someone, you say, nice to meet you. When you ask for something, you say, please. When you let something use something that belong to you, you are sharing. When you receive something, you say thank you card. When you ask for something, you say please. When you listen to your parents, you show them respect. Now student, come to the next question. Who I am? Fill these blanks. I fly airplane, I am a pilot. I teach in a school, I am a teacher. I look after the sick in a hospital, I am a doctor. I make things from wood, I am a carpenter. I stitch clothes for people, I am a tailor. I drive a bus and take people to different places, I am a driver. I bake bread and cakes, I am a baker. I work in a bookstore and sell books, I am a shopkeeper. I make things with clay, I am a laborer. Now student, come to your next question. Being a good citizen. There are some ways to be good citizen. यहाँ पे चंद एग्जाम्पल दी गई हैं गुड सिटीजन की. They are when you have a picnic at park, clean the place before leaving. If you see a crime being committed, you call the police. You respect your neighbors by being polite and kind to them. You help the old, a citizen. स्टूडेंट ये गुड सिटीजन की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दी गई थी. अब कुछ क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे गए हैं. डू यू डू एनी ऑफ द थिंग अबव विच वन? इनमें से आप कौन सी चीज़ करते हैं? आप कुछ और भी राइट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने राइट किया आई हेल्प द ओल्ड एज सिटीजन्स. वट डू यू थिंक इट मीन टू बी अ गुड सिटीजन? यस. वट एल्स कैन यू डू टू बी अ गुड सिटीजन? और कौन सी चीज़ें आप कर सकते हैं एज अ गुड सिटीजन? आई फॉलो द रूल एंड रेगुलेशन. नेक्स्ट कम द ईद उल फितर. व्हेन ईद उल फितर इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द month of Shawwal. How does the day being? People offer Eid prayer. What do people do next? Greeting each other. How did you celebrate your Eid? I celebrate with my family and friends. Now come to the last part of this summer talks. Write the answer of the following question. There are three types of transport: air transport, land transport, and water transport. Write two examples of each. These are questions. I write another page. Air transport, to example, aeroplane, helicopter. Land transport, to example, car and bus. Water transport, ship and boat. Let's see the next question. Write down the name of four directions. Four directions: north, south, east, west. Let's see the next question. Which season do you like the most and why? I like the spring season. You write any other season do you like the most. When did Pakistan came into being? पाकिस्तान कब वजूद में आया, मार्ज वजूद में आया? 14 अगस्त 1947. How you celebrate इंडिपेंडेंस डे? आप इंडिपेंडेंस डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? We decorate our homes and streets. We sing national song. Write down the name of 5 major rivers of Pakistan. Indus River, Chenab River, Jhelum River, Satluj River and Kabul River. Which are the main source of food? Plants and animals are the main source of food. Write any 4 examples of means of communications: mobile, internet, radio, newspaper. Write down the name of any 2 neighboring countries of Pakistan. India and Iran are the neighboring country of Pakistan. Now come to the last question. Give any 4 examples of young food: salted snake, candy, pizza and burger. Okay student, I have completed it.